big. We got a boatload of cash, and hopefully we'll be coming home with a monster truck. Stay tuned, and we'll let you know how it goes. Do a little walk around when we get back. Baby, do you approve of this? Do you approve of the new truck, huh? Alright guys, it's the next day. We're back at the shop. We got the truck home. Kind of got home a little late. You know, a bunch of people wanted to check it out. So, we have a lot of plans and aspirations for the truck. You know, it does need a few things. There's a few things I want to do. Justin told me everything he thinks that he would do and not do to it. So, yeah, you know, let me know what you guys think that the truck needs, or what you'd like to see, you know, done to it. We got a lot of plans for it. We got a lot of parts ordered. So we're gonna give you a little walk around and show you what we like and what we don't like, and you know, maybe you guys can share your opinions on it too. I've never owned a truck this big, so if you see something that you're like, hey, you know, you should do this, you should do that, I'm totally open to suggestions. So this thing's only held on by 5 lug nuts. I guess a lot of people run like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and get all the rest of the studs and lug nuts. I just you know, I'm a mechanic. It's just kind of a thing that I want done. You know, the truck's actually a lot bigger in person than it is on the videos. We've been romping on it pretty hard last night and today, and just seen like one of the axle seals just leaking a little bit. Apparently these transfer cases leak all the time, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and replace those seals and see if that's something that we can rectify. What else we got going on here? The tires are pretty dang good shape. Something else that kind of drives me nuts is the way these brake pads in this caliper rotor setup, like those brake pads should be all the way on that rotor, so I'll probably order a new caliper bracket or have one made, or I'll figure it out. Same thing with the lug nuts and studs on this side. You know, there's rights and lefts, so we're gonna need both. Not super crazy about this sway bar setup. It goes back into the factory sway bar mounts on the truck. We'll probably change that up eventually. We'll take you up into the cab because I don't think you guys have ever seen inside there. So, you know, it is a mud truck. There's nothing fancy about it. You know, there's that little dent there, you know, a little tree damage there. That's where the blower used to be. I think this window is, yeah, it's Lexan. Might need to add some more duct tape back here. That's it's falling out. As you guys know, the radiator is in the bed. The fuel cell's there. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you want to see done to the truck. We have already ordered a ton of parts for it. There's a ton of new stuff that's going to happen to it. We're going to try and upload pretty frequently about this truck, you know, keep you guys up to date on it. I know there's somewhat of a following, and you know, we just want to show you guys everything that we're going to upgrade and do to it. So, you know, that's pretty much it, man, and stay tuned for the next video.